iTech Express is a leading local computer repair store located in Glendora, California. With years of experience in the industry, their team of certified technicians offers a wide range of services to meet your computer repair needs. Whether you need virus removal, hardware repair, or software installation, they have the expertise to get your computer running smoothly again. At iTech Express, they pride themselves on their commitment to customer satisfaction, affordable pricing, and quick turnaround times. Visit their website itechexpressinc.com today. Or give them a call at 626-777-4747 to learn more about their services. And get ready to resolve any kind of computer issues shortly.